Creative and carefree crafting. Sloth stretches time. Let's make a Steve the Sloth paper bag puppet. Creative crafting is all about imagination and a bit of magic. Color in those toes, toes, toes. 3 toes, that is. Color Steve the Sloth any color you like. Imagination and play are the perfect ways to spend a day. Make sure to make your puppet special for you. Steve has the best dance moves. Might need some help from an adult right here. It's googly eye time. I can see you're a creative crafter. Googly oogly, get ready to glue because there's glitter coming too. Spreading sparkles and shimmers. Sparkling inside and out and all about. Wow, Steve, look at your disco fur. It's also better when we craft together. Voila! Look at this creative Steve the Sloth. Okay, that's amazing! Oh wow, look at all our paper bag puppet friends! See you next time, carefree, calming crafters.